Sa araw na ito, dinala tayo ng ating mga paa sa Saxony-Anhalt, Germany. Medyo gloomy at mahangin ang panahon ngayon pero perfect ito para ma-explore natin ang isang lugar na puno ng history. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hundisburg. Specifically, we are exploring the grounds of Hundisburg Castle o Schloss Hundisburg. Sa winter season, makikita natin na kalbo ang mga puno at tahimik ang paligid. Pero alam nyo ba, this silence hides a very turbulent past. Pasok natin sa castle grounds, agad nating mapapansin ang kanilang garden. This is a classic example of a Baroque garden. Pansin nyo yung symmetry at geometric pattern sa grounds. Even in winter, kitang-kita pa rin ang structure na ito. The renovation of this garden and the castle was largely influenced by Johann Friedrich von Alvensleben noong early 18th century. Gusto niyang gayahin ang grandeur ng French palaces. Sinasabing ang garden na ito ay patterned after the famous Herrenhausen Garden sa Hanover. Ang gandang tingnan ng contrast ng yellow facade ng castle laban sa gray na langit. This building is one of the most significant rural Baroque castles in the region. Pero hindi lang ito basta display of wealth. It was the center of culture and politics noong panahon na iyon. Habang naglalakad tayo palayo sa main building, mapapansin nyo na nag-iiba ang style ng park. From the strict geometric lines of Baroque garden, nagiging mas natural na siya. Ito ang tinatawag na landscape park style na naging uso noong mid-18th century. It represents a shift from controlling nature to appreciating its natural form. With an area around 100 hectares, napakalawak ng pwedeng lakaran dito. It's actually quite relaxing nga. Sa gitna ng quiet atmosphere na ito, mahirap isipin na this place was almost destroyed. Noong 1945 at the end of World War II, nagkaroon ng malaking sunog dito sa castle. For decades during the Soviet occupation and the GDR era, napabayaan ng ruins na ito. But starting in the 1990s, nagsimula ang massive reconstruction efforts to bring it back to its former glory. Let's take a closer look at these walls. While the main palace is Baroque, the origins of the Hundisburg are actually medieval. The name Hundisburg was first mentioned in historical records way back in the year 966. Dati itong fortress o burg na nagproprotect sa border ng territory. Kita nyo yung pagkakaiba ng mga bato? You can see the layers of history here. Mula sa medieval fortress, ginawa itong Renaissance castle noong 16th century bago naging Baroque palace. It's like reading a history book pero imbes na words, architecture ang binabasa natin. Mula dito sa taas, we have a clear view of the village. The strategic location of the castle on this hill allowed the lords to monitor the surrounding lands effectively. Bumaba tayo sa village mismo ng Hundisburg, parang tumigil ang oras dito. Most of the houses are traditional German timber-framed houses of Fachwerk. These traditional use wooden beams as the skeleton of the house filled in with brick o clay. Very durable at classic ang itsura. Isang interesting landmark dito sa baba ay ang historical brickyard o Ziegelei. Hundisburg is also known for its technical monument, a historic brick factory that is still preserved today. Dito ginagawa ang mga bricks na ginagamit sa maraming buildings sa region na ito. It shows that Hundisburg wasn't just about the nobles in the castle, it was also a place of industry and hard work for the locals. As we explore to the outskirts of the castle walls, makakakita tayo ng mga interesting details like this small door built into the hill. Maraming ganito sa Europe, often used as ice cellars o storage for food bago pa naimbento ang refrigerators. Grabe ang history ng lugar na ito, from a medieval fortress to a grand Baroque palace to a ruin burned down in 1945 and now fully restored for us to enjoy. It is a reminder of resilience. Kung mahilig kayo sa history, architecture, or gusto nyo lang tahimik na lugar for a walk, Hundisburg is definitely worth a visit. Libre lang ang pagpasok sa park, though may entrance fee kung papasok sa museum sa loob. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating simple winter walking tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be notified every uploads I'll do. Gracias!